Did you know that animals sneeze just like humans? But some animals have truly bizarre sneezing habits. Take the iguana, for example. These reptiles sneeze to expel excess salt from their bodies. Talk about a salty sneeze. Elephants, on the other hand, sneeze through their trunks. Imagine the force of that sneeze coming from such a massive creature. Hedgehogs have a unique sneezing ritual called self-anointing. They create a frothy saliva and spread it on their spines. It's believed to help them stay clean and healthy. Dolphins don't technically sneeze, but they do forcefully exhale through their blowholes. It's like a sneeze for their lungs. Chimpanzees, our closest relatives, also sneeze. They even cover their mouths, just like we do. How polite.